Ethula istatimende ngomlomo kaNdunankulu wesizwe samaZulu uMntwana uSimakade uyiphikile imbiko ebithi ubebheke isihlalo sobukhosi bukaZulu. Lokhu kuvele izolo ebusuku khathi uMntwana wakwaPhindangene elandisa beindaba ngokuqhubekayo ngeindaba ezithinta isilo uMisuzulu kaZwelithini.
Usimakade fanele ngabe ngiyakhuleka kahle angisafanele ukuthi ngithi umntwana ngoba abantwana bakhuzulwandle bakhulekile la bakhuleka khona shuthi uyisilo njengamanje mina ngiyakhuleka kumntwana uSimakade engingakumela lokho engikukhulumayo la ngingakumela khona.
Ngomlomo kaNdunankulu wesizwe samaZulu uMntwana uSimakade uyawahlikiza lamagama omntwana olondiwe athi bekumele kube uye oqokwa njengenkosi. Uthi badonswa ngendlebe ukuthi beseke noma ubani oyokhonjwa ukuthi ahole isizwe.
Angikaze ngisho kumuntu ukuthi ngiyasifuna lesi sikhundla. Ngiyezwa amagebe ukuthi kukhona ubuhomomu obukhombisa ukuthi hleze kukhona abangifisela lesi sikhundla. Futhi ayikho into engayenza ngemizwa yabanye abantu. Babe siqayisile ukuthi uma uphakamisa omunye wethu asibokwamukela futhi simeseke.
Nakuba ngesonto umbutho wamaphoyisa wakuphika ukuthi zahoxiswa ezokuphepha zeNgonyama kepha uMntwana wakwaPhindangene uphinde uyagcizelela ukuthi ezokuphepha zeNgonyama uMisuzulu zahoxiswa ujobelela ngokuthi lesenzo sabe sinenhlese yezombusazwe.
The person who actually informed me that the security was being withdrawn was Advocate Mshololo, who is actually an advocate of the High Court, who is residing at the palace of the king. So I'm really find it surprising in the extreme that the ANC in this province should then chip in and accuse me of having a political program. I have no political program in the royal family.
uNdunankulu kaZulu ubese balula ukuthi kungamampunge ukuthi isilo uMisuzulu kofanele sigcacelwe ukuze sigcotshwe ngoba ngisho nelembe labe lingacacelwe.
There is no basis for this claim. Indeed, the founder of the nation, the founder of the monarchy itself, King Shaka Kasenza was himself a celibate by choice, in that he voluntarily chose not to marry. Likewise, King Dingane was celibate by choice, yet he gave orders and declared even wars. And my maternal grandfather, King Dinizulu, actually ascended the throne before he got married. It was only the apartheid regime that misled the Amakosi, that Amakosian kings must marry before taking over their positions.
Umntwana uSimakade empeleni uyena ndodana endala kwasadlanhlamvana esilo esikhotheme nakuba akhuliswa indlovukazi ekhotheme uManfombi kepha unina akazange agcagcele ebukhosini.